In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix family link parent access code not working, code refresh, time sync, and fix. Fix 1. Check internet connection. You just have to ensure that the both parent and child's device are connected to the internet. And internet connection is necessary for access code to refresh and function properly. Fix 2. Generate a new parent access. First of all, you just have to open the Google Family Link app on your phone and select your child's profile. Then navigate to the parent access code in the menu and tap on the generate a code new code. Then use the new code on the child's device. Fix 3. Update time. Open the setting on the parent and child's device, then navigate to date and time setting. Then you have to enable automatic date and time. Fix 4. Reinstall Family Link parent device. You just have to uninstall the Family Link app from your device and reboot your phone to refresh the system. Then you have to reinstall the Family Link app from the App Store or Play Store. Then sign in to the app again to obtain a new access code. So doing all this step will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.